My name is Lex Pott. I am an Amsterdam-based designer and I graduated at the Design Academy in Eindhoven in 2009. The thing about the concept of the Design Exquis that really appealed me was the fact that it's estafette design course. So one designer gives an object to the other designer that is allowed to respond on it. And I never did it before and it seemed like a good challenge. The first question that the project raised was what did the previous designer do and what was the starting point? And the second question was the time frame or the deadline, because it's quite difficult to do a project within 1 month from A to Z. But in the end, if that's the framework you have to work in, that's the deal. Normally the process of design starts with a fascination for a material or a specific scientific rule or something very simple, and from that we start to do a lot of research. And in this case, or for this project, we focused on stone. How can you use stone in a special way? And one of the things that really attracted us was the fact that stone has beautiful patterns, and we tried to shape the patterns in such a way that they become geometrical and also organized. So we book matched a lot of the patterns. So they cut a sheet of stone, they fold it open, and then the pattern becomes like a kaleidoscopic effect. So you have a very geometrical combination of two patterns, and it's really a book match or a literal mirroring of two surfaces. Besides that, I also wanted to use a mirror to imitate the book matching. So in a way, you create a surface that is not there. The biggest challenge in this project was actually collaborating with companies, because we're now in the middle of the summer period. So a lot of companies are closed, and for this project we work very close with a company in the Netherlands. It's a stoneworking company, and they actually produced all the stone parts for this project. So they did the cutting, the polishing, all the gluing. So they made all the components for this project, and we actually also spent some time there to talk everything over and over and all the detailing. And in the end we did the whole production in their facility. For me, designing is really about cultivating materials, and I actually like to work in a very raw and intuitive way. So I use a lot of natural materials such as stone, wood or metals, and within those materials I try to find very specific qualities to do something nice with. So I try to cultivate very normal materials into something special and storytelling.